먼저 말해 미성 nào.
Okay, so I would clean my hand. You see that, right? Yeah. Okay, let about 5 more minutes. You will see the color coming out to my feet. Alright. Okay. So here, they dye the hand in here. So the lady just coming to here. Guys, that's a wooden house. Xin chào em. Yeah. Okay, guys, be careful with this. That's a ham. The ham of the local people. Marijuana seed, and they will go to seal them for ham, and they are going to rolling them now and tying them to make them really long. Like for the woman, you see the woman, she got a big ball on the hand like that. So that's what they do in rolling them. They're rolling them. Yeah. And that's the bell showing. This one already admit about 5 months to 6 months. Yeah, they try to do in the toilet. And that's a bong. Oh, that's a man. Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Okay, come inside, guys. There you go. Yeah.
Không mấy tuổi rồi.
Vâng ạ.
Of course, that was simple, sir. Right here. The plastic. Yeah, you see that. Oh, grandfather's sleep. Oh, shit. No, no,
Is he in there?
Yeah.
I'm not even free there.
Okay. tay máy bay một tay không theo tạo đi xuống này tao có tạo đâu ai đang quấn rồi Trái lại anh. Yeah, I said you this. Xin chào. Yeah. No, you say for me.
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I got the bell for woman here, guys. Yeah. The bell I told you before, the woman has to wear this. And this kind of thing like more like beauty and more like luxury lady. Yeah. Xin chào. Xin chào. Xin chào. Actually, nowadays their grandchildren, their great-grandchildren already grow up, build their own homestay there, and they are really beautiful. But for me, every year I got about 4 different groups come from Melbourne, Geelong school. So see Zai people, and you can see they are majorly different than Hmong people. Hmong people they grow eating marijuana, and they make everything by hand and weaving at home. But in here, the local people here, we call Zai people, they make everything by cotton. Yeah, as you can see, they are really Chinese. You can see the design. Exactly. They also grow them in here. Yeah, but what's up now? Yeah, and
Bà đi bật thoải mái mà. Bà không bà.
Nhà bà đẹp quá.
Bà cũng nhớ đây.
Dạ.
100 năm rồi.
of our government for for that. So cool. How's your day today, guys?
Yeah, good.
I hope you enjoy that. Today was a short day for her, but sleepy driving day. Maybe the temperature make you guys tired. Sleepy. Yeah.
Put that over here.
But anyway, we're gonna break